soda ash. I'm gonna put the baking soda into this pan, and when I bake it, it says it's gonna turn it into soda ash. Okay, so I poured it all in here, and I guess it's supposed to change its texture or something after the carbon monoxide or whatever it is comes off, and it turns into baking bicarbonato di sodio. So we're going to turn it into just carbonato. Take it off by baking it out. We'll see if it looks any different, and it should be soda ash, which we can soak our dyes in to make bright dyes. Okay, I'm going to put it in this Ziploc bag, and I got a little piece of newspaper, which we're going to need more newspaper outside. That's what I use to absorb it. So I'm going to try to make like a funnel here. I don't know, I'm not doing the best job, but it works. Anyway, since I'm using this, oh, it does feel like soda ash. That's so bizarre. Yep, dense. Ta-da!